Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where we're here at Oakwood Theme Park in Wales for a ride on the newly retracked and reprofiled Megaphobia.
Oh, we absolutely love this coaster. It's so much fun.
It's a fantastic ride, it really is. It opened in 1996. It was built by Custom Coasters International, and the park have actually worked with the Gravity Group to do a retrack on here. And here we go, climbing up the lift hill.
So exciting. I'm so glad that the track work's been done.
Oh, definitely. It needed to be done. It rides so much better now than it did previously. And yeah, that's the thing with the Gravity Group. They're really good when it comes to refurbishing all the rides. This really needed it. And it's riding great now, as you're going to see. And this rider cam POV, we're on the back row. Megaphobia, thrills beyond fear.
Here we go.
Hey. You always get some good airtime on this drop at the back, Charlotte.
Here we go.
Hey. Double up coming up next. There we go. Woo. Hey. Great airtime there now. Woo. I really like this corner. You get some great forces. Knocked into the side like that. Down again. Woo. Little bunny hills. Oh, Megaphobia. Woo. Oh, you just feel the new sections. Woo. Whacked into the side. Love that roller coaster. Woo! Oh wow. Slows down a little bit and we're back in. Woo! One final little hill. Oh. And of course, up into the brake run just there. Oh blimey, I tell you what, that is riding so well now, isn't it?
Absolutely brilliant.
Oh, the airtime on there is brilliant now, it really is. And yeah, the first drop is phenomenal, especially if you're at the back. You really whipped down that first drop. And of course, love the newer parts on there, such as the double up and the double down that there is on there. Before there were standard drops and inclines. So it's nice how they've added a bit more airtime in there.
They've done such a good job. I'm so happy it's been done.
And you also come really fast into the station at the end. Brilliant, but there we go. Thanks for joining us here on Theme Park Worldwide. And that leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there, keep on riding. See you in the next video.